Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got a box of makeup from Via Trading. I'm going to open it up and see what's in here, and I'll tell you exactly how much I paid for it. All right, let me give you the specifications on this particular box just so you know. This is a Via Trading makeup box. 250 items are in it. I paid $337.50. You can actually get them cheaper than this, and I'll show you how in a minute. I put down shipping as $0 because I actually ordered this with a bunch of other palettes, and so instead of charging me extra shipping to send this separately, he just threw it on top of one of my palettes, and so I didn't have to pay any extra for the shipping. $1.35 per item, and if you kind of zoom in here, I told you can get makeup items a little bit cheaper, and that's how you can. If you buy one box, it costs one price, 2, 3, and 4 boxes. So as you buy more multiples, and they don't have to be all the same brand as far as I know. Via Trading can comment in the section below and correct me on that, but I think they've got Revlon, Maybelline, CoverGirl, all those things. And so I think that as long as you buy 4 boxes, I think you get the box discount on that. So, anyway, let's get in here and we're going to find out what's all in here. I love the makeup boxes. I've done really well with them. I'm trying not to cut what's in here. There we go. So they're usually packed all the way to the brim with makeup. Look at that. So, one thing that I want to mention for organization's sake is if you look over here, I've got a bunch of priority mailboxes, the sizes that I don't usually use in shipping. And so what I'm going to do when I'm unboxing is I'm going to lipstick, eyeshadow, blush, foundation, and that'll just make my life a whole lot easier when trying to organize later. So let's go ahead and just pull some things out. I'm going to lay them out on the table so you can see what they are, and then I'll go ahead and start putting them in boxes. So we've got some Elegant Lilac lipstick, some more of that. I've got some eyeshadows. Looks like whatever this was came off. But most of it is shelf pulls, new in stock. So I got a lot of lipstick in this batch. Let me see. This is a, looks like eyeliner. Then I've got some more of these baby lips ones, which is really great. I'm going to try to sell a lot of this stuff even on Poshmark. Let's see. Here's a Color Explosion Forest Fury, and it comes in a 2-pack. And the cool thing about this is it is an eyeshadow, just like that purple one, but it's green. But it's a 2-pack of green, and a lot of times on Amazon, the eyeshadows sell in a 2-pack. So it's nice to have this box already, and I can just adhere my label to it. Here's also some Endless Mocha. Let's see what that actually looks like. I think that's Rose Hazel eyeshadow. I'm trying to get this box open without ripping it. There we go. So this is more eyeshadow, like some browns. So a 2-pack of those. So I've got a bunch of those. So let's see if we can make eyeshadow. Some more lipsticks. I'm going to start putting some of these lipsticks in the boxes here just to keep myself a little organized. I'm going to put all the baby lips in a separate one because I see that I have a lot of them. And so these style are going to be separate from the other. So we'll go ahead and organize all those. 250 items is amazing. So we've got some brown lipsticks and some pink lipsticks. Let me get all these baby lips ones out of here. And you can also make bundles too, like on Poshmark. Here's some more lipsticks here. So it looks like lipsticks are all kind of piled at the top. Let's see what else we got. We got another eyeshadow here. Let me put this one down so you can look at it. And here's some other compacts with eyeshadow colors. Looks like this is what used to be here. There's some more color. You can kind of look at those. This is an eye gloss. So that's a little bit different than a shadow. So I have sold multiple different brands. I wanted to try out Maybelline to see how well that sells in comparison. I think the last box I opened was a L'Oreal. So We'll have to see. A lot of these Maybellines do sell in a 2-pack really well. This is Color Explosion Amethyst, so I think it's another blush or an eyeshadow. Let's look at it. It's that purple one we already saw. So that's an eyeshadow. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in a new box for eyeshadows. Let's see what some of these long boxes are. Maybelline Lip Color Palette. I'm guessing it's some sort of a lip gloss. Yes, look at that. Lip Color Palette. And you notice right away, this is exactly how you see it at the store. You know, but you're actually getting it in the original brown boxes. And so if this ever sells as a 2-pack, I've got the awesome box to put it in. Or 1-pack, I'll just take them out of this brown box and go ahead and adhere the label myself. So that's a lip gloss kind of thing.
No clearance labels.
No clearance labels to pull off, which is glorious. Okay, so this is just, we've seen one of those blue ones, that color gloss for your eyes. So let's do that in this box here. We've got a blush here. All right, let's see. I'm trying to look for different things. Let's pull all these lipsticks out. You can kind of get an idea. So one thing I already love. Condition is amazing. Oh, look at this. We got some foundations. So here's some foundations at the bottom of the box. Some more lip eyeshadow. Okay, let's see what these are. What are these little pencils? These pencils? Lip liner. It's a lip liner, never been opened. I love that there's a barcode right here. And this is actually the same barcode as the outside of the box. So if they sell it in a 2-pack, then you've got the barcode there. And then let's look in this one here. Trying not to rip the box open, and I just did. All right, there's that purple color. It's a little different than that one. This one's called 120 Violet. Eye Studio, Maybelline Eye Studio. So we're going to put those in the eyeshadow one. We'll make a foundation box. All right, so we've got, what is this? Velvet Crush 2 each. Purple Compact. Perfect Pastels is what it's called. 200. 20Q. Velvet Crush. So that's a eyeshadow again. More foundations here in the bottom. I'm just going to pull all these out. So, and I'll go through and kind of show you how we've maxed out all our boxes of stuff. And kind of go through each individual things at the very end for you. Ooh, this is very lightweight. Let's see what this is. Maybelline eyeliner. It's kind of a pinkish, purplish eyeliner. And there's a 2-pack of those. So we've gotten a couple of different, we saw black eyeliner, and then this one that's kind of opened on its own. I might have to just keep that one. Put the eyeliners in there. Lip liner here. Okay, these are all lip liners, these white ones here. Oh, here's the outside of that package we were missing from the eyeliner, so we'll just toss that in the box. All right, let's see, more lipstick here. Let's see what's in this box. This one says, looks like it's more of that purplish eyeliner. Okay, so we'll put that in the box it goes in. All right, what are these? These look different. They have kind of a bronzy thing. It's a compact, it's a bronzer. I said it had a bronzy color, and what do you know? It's a bronzer. So anything that kind of has that bronze, and I'll show you what I mean. See, it looks kind of bronze right there. So I know that's going to be a bronzer. That's going to be a bronzer. Just looking for ones. That's a regular eyeshadow. Here's a bronzer again. So that kind of helps me sort a lot better. Box is the same size. They have the bronze color on the back. Okay, so we're going to put that over here. All right, these I think are, this is a Velvet Crush. We saw that purple colored eyeshadow. So I'm going to look for anything in this size of box that say Velvet. Now this one says Amethyst Smoke. I don't think we've seen the Amethyst Smoke. No, we haven't. So it's got a white and 2 purples, and it looks like a black for the liner. So it even shows you, look at the words. Okay, I just want to show you this. This is kind of cool to me. It says number 1, it says base, 2 lid, 3 crease, and then the black one, it says liner. So basically it shows you how to put it on your eye. You know, so you're going to do the base, and then you'll do the lid, and then the crease, and then you'll use the black for the liner. So that's kind of a all-in-one scenario there. So that's kind of cool. All right, so that one said Amethyst Smoke. So we know that that's a shadow. Velvet Crush we know is a shadow. This one says Light Nude. So it's probably a blush or a, yeah, that's a blush. A Maybelline blush. Comes in its own compact. All right, so these shadows I'm going to put in the shadow box. And then I don't think I have a blush. That was my first blush. All right, so this one says Velvet Crush. That's a shadow. What are these? This one says Amethyst Ablazed. There's that purple shadow again. Very sparkly. Looks like little girl ones or going out at night kind of style. Okay, this one is the shadow. Okay, what's in this big box? That's really heavy. Lip, oh, it's the lip color palette. More of those. I have to figure out where I put those. Lip color palette. All right. What's in here? This is a box shape we haven't seen yet. Compact bronzer. All right, what is this? This is in bubble wrap. And let's see. Okay, Maybelline. What in the world is this? It's a skin transforming foundation, but it's in a glass bottle. So that would be why they bubble wrapped it, which is awesome. So we've got 2 of those. So we're going to put that with the foundations. Oh, we're going to pull out the rest of these foundations we found. One thing to be aware of when listing makeup is a lot of times it will have an expiration date on it. So make sure you check and see that and see if there's an expiration date on those. So I think this is another lip palette. Yes. So I'm going to find the boxes that are the same size as this. Those are all going to be lip palettes. They're very heavy. All right, those are all lip palettes. Let's see, where are they at? Right here. And then we've got, looks like these are all, what are these? These are eyeshadows. So anything in this size of box is going to be some sort of an eyeshadow. So we'll pull out all the eyeshadows. These feel heavier. I don't think those are eyeshadows, but these, that one isn't either. We're going to look at those and see. Let me see. Eyeshadows. Go here. Lipstick. All right. These felt a little heavier. And so, yeah, they are an eye thing, but it's not the same kind. It was those Color 24-Hour Tattoo by Eye Studio. It's an eye kind of cream instead of an eye shadow. So yeah, these are heavier. This one's a shadow. These are heavier. Shadow. Shadow. So, and I'll go through and make sure that I have everything correct at the end, but gives me an idea. What are these? This looks like a blush, I think. Oh no, it's an eye shadow. Rose Haze. So that gives you an idea of what kind of to expect in a Maybelline makeup one. It looks like we've got all eyeshadows, eyeshadow compacts. The cool thing, everything basically is new in box. Let me see, more eyeliners here. That pink color. And so everything is new in box, perfect condition. I think the only thing that was wrong was that one eyeliner came off of its packaging. But 250 makeup items. If you want to kind of come over here, we'll look through what we've kind of got organized a little bit, and you'll be able to see kind of all the makeup we have here. These are the big lip ones. And then there we go. So I'll just go through and make sure I've got everything organized, but 250 pieces of makeup. This will be easy peasy to process, simply because I sell on Amazon, and I'm going to sell the majority of this on the Amazon marketplace. And so most of this will disappear unless I can't make the money based on fees for Amazon. And then you'll see me bundle a bunch of different kinds. Like maybe I'll do, 3 different kinds of baby lips, lipsticks, and then I'll list it on Poshmark or eBay, or on hookedonpickin.com is one of the best places that I like to list some of this stuff. But we'll see where it's going to sell the quickest, and then that's where I'll put it. So hopefully it's been helpful to see what I can do and what comes from via trading in a Maybelline makeup box. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.